Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, Saturday some problems we discussed and some given homework textbook problems only. See all of you, page number 15. First question, the place value of 7 in 7. Place value of 7. See here this given number 5674. So what is the place value of 7 in this number? 70. 7 is in tens place, so 70. So which option is correct? Option B. Second one. Place value and face value are always equal at which place? Which place? See, for example, if you take this number only, place value, face value are always equal at which place? In which place? If you take ones place, what is the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4 in this number? 4 only now. 4 into 1. 4. 4 is in ones place. What is the face value of 4? Face value of 4, 4. So, place value, face value same. At which place we get? Ones place. If you take any number, ones place, place value and face value both are always equal. So, which option is correct? Option B. It is also option B. Third one. Place value of 5 in 605,116,218. Place value of 5. Place value of 5. 5 is in which place in this number? Millions place. So 5 into million, what you will get? 5 million. So which option is correct? 5 million. Option B. It is also option B. Next, fourth one. Which pair has same digit and at hundreds place? See fourth one. Fourth question. Options 4,232, 4,331, option B 2,334, 2,340, option C 6,524, 7,823, option D 5,432. So what they asked here, which pair has same digits at hundreds place? So you have to see each number hundreds place. See first option hundreds place, which digit have first number 2 and 3. In second option 3, 3. Same have no. Here hundreds place 5, here 8. Not same. Here 4, 9. So which option is correct? Option B. Given numbers hundreds place have same digits. Next, fifth question. Fifth question. The expanded form of 9,578 is. First you know already, you write first expanded form 9 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. 9 into 1000. First option they given 10,000. So it is wrong. Next second option 9 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So it is also option B is correct. Next sixth question. 57,340. These are 6 to 12 problems. Saturday's homework problems. 57,340. 43,125. So 57,000, 43,000, which is greater 57 also greater than symbol. Next one, 53,617, 56,148, 53,000, 56,000, 53 is less than, 53 is less than 56. So less than symbol there you have to write. Eighth one, ascending order. Ascending order. See which ascending order, given numbers arrange is first ascending order, in that which is a small number 571, after which number 847, after which number you will get 8320, after 9754. Which option is correct? 571, 847, 8320, 9700. It is also option B. Ninth one, descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order means numbers are arranged from bigger number to smaller number in the given number. Which is the bigger number? 85,400 is greater than 7,861 is greater than 7,500 is greater than 5,000. So which option is correct? 85,400, 7,861, 7,500. Option C is correct. Next, 10th one. Smallest 3-digit number. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. So option A. The smallest 3-digit number formed 257. Given digits 257. By using these digits, what we have to form? Smallest 3-digit number. What you will get? Smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number by using the digits is equal to 257. Smallest, when you are writing smallest number, arrange the digits smaller to bigger. So 257. Option C is correct. 11th one, option C. 12th one, the smallest 8-digit number is called smallest 8-digit number. What you will get? Smallest 8-digit number. What you will get? 1 crore. 1 crore. Option B. So these are homework problems, and I explained 13, 14, 15 up to 20 problems completed. So 21st listen. Listen 21st problem. First problem. 1 billion is equal to 1 billion is equal to 1 billion is equal to what you will get? See here, already relationship we have to write relationship. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 10,000. Here what you will get? Lakhs. Here 100,000, 10 lakhs. Here million. 10 lakhs after what you will get? Crore. 10 millions. 10 crore. 100 millions. 100 crores. Billion. So now what they asked? 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. Here not have 100 crores. See last option. Lakhs after 10 lakhs. Here 100 lakhs. If you take lakhs, 100 lakhs, 1000 lakhs, you will get 1000 lakhs or 10,000 lakhs. So 10,000 lakhs. Option D. 10,000 lakhs. They given answer in lakhs. So 10,000 lakhs. 100 millions is equal to 10 crores only. 1 billion means 100 crores. So 1 billion they ask, 100 crores here option not they given. So we have to write like this. If they given 1000 millions, that is also correct, but not given here. So answer 10,000 lakhs. Next, how many extra zeros are there in 1 billion as compared to 10 crores? See, 10 crores. But we have to compare 1 billion. How many zeros extra have? 100 crores is equal to 10 crores after 100 crores means how many zeros extra? 1 0. So option A, 1 0 extra have. Next one, 23. 1 kg is equal to, already you know, 23 question. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. 1000 grams. Next, 24 to 30 homework problems. So diary work problems. Diary work problems. 24 to 30 problems. Page number 17. Thank you. Have a nice day.